Welcome to our video on raw profiles in image preparation. Let's load an image so we can see what we're talking about. And we can see this image is in its basic development stage. It's been loaded with a neutral edit, so it hasn't been edited. It looks quite flat and lacks depth. And if we zoom in, we can also see some noise in there. And these are issues that can be addressed using a raw profile. And that's exactly what we've done. Let's go to the raw module and set up a raw development profile for this image, for whatever camera you're using, which we can then use anytime we want. So let's increase the brightness slightly, maybe turn on the normalization for shadows and highlights. That removes color casts from the image and ensures that black is really black and white is really white. This is what the normalization does. We can then zoom in again here to look at the noise. Let's go to the artificial intelligence area in the raw module and increase the denoising a bit and perhaps add some sharpness to the image again. And we can then right click to compare the before and after images. The settings we've just made in the raw module can be saved in a custom profile using this button here. Let's click it. We'll call this profile My Camera, so it's easy to find later. Whichever camera you're using, you can enter that here, but I'll keep it general for now. We can then find this raw profile we configured here at the top of the list. These are our custom raw profiles, but I won't apply it just yet. Let's close the raw module again and go to image preparation. At the bottom here in the optimizations, we can see the new raw profile area. We can activate our custom raw profiles here. We're then shown a message stating that this raw profile will be reset if the program is restarted or if we reopen the window. The reason for this is that we might also delete the raw profile in the meantime, and the program would then have to be adjusted accordingly the next time it starts. That's why it's reset. So if we confirm that with the green arrow here, this raw profile is now activated for the image loading process. And if I load the image again or load any other image, this raw profile is applied automatically and I get my image with an improved brilliance and the noise reduction we set. It's configured exactly as we set it in the raw profile. We can also use this raw profile from a second area in batch processing. There too, I don't want to save the project yet. We have the option of activating this image preparation and we can select that here too. And now this raw profile, My Camera, will automatically be applied to all the batch processing. That means we can integrate raw profiles and the raw module into batch processing. It makes things a lot easier for your automated workflow, and I hope you enjoy using it.